waves so clean. Stones on the knees like a luxury dream. Green velvet shine with the gold on glow. Every step you take got the water flow. Floric style, yeah, we level it up. From Venti room to $1 million touch. Step inside, feel the ocean life. Luxury flow, change your whole vibe.
Shipping all day.
Yeah. Step in the room, yeah, the vibe so divine. Clouds on the floor like the sky redesigned. Colors so vivid, reflection so pure. Flow, ink shine, make the luxury sure. Drip in the resin, watch the magic unfold. Pink, blue, gold, yeah, the surface look bold. Roll with the epoxy, smooth like a dream. Every single swirl got the heavenly gleam. Lights hit the floor and they glow like a star. Penthouse view while we raising the bar. Workers on the grind, yeah, the craft so tight. Turn a broken room to a futuristic sight. From the cracks to the shine, yeah, we flip the whole story. Now the clouds on the floor, giving heaven its glory. If you love this design and the vision you see, subscribe right now to with me, yeah, we build it, reveal it. Every project so clean. Best floors you've ever seen.
Started with a floor just plain and dry. Mark that line like a river gonna fly. Cut it D, yeah, we shaping that flow. Turn wood to a vision, watch the whole thing glow. Stones go down, leaves in between. Build that nature, make it look clean. Pour that epoxy, crystal so bright. Now it shine like water in the light. From basic to art, yeah, we changed the game. Luxury river floor, remember the name. Flowing.